Hi, this is your girl Danielle 2005, and right now I'm out um, eating dinner. I guess I don't know. It's like 10 o'clock. So, no, it's not. Is it really? Anyways, I just wanted to do my face of the night. Um, I have on some yellow, gold, and a black eyeshadow. I didn't do too much. I had to rush out the house. But say hi, Ebony.
Hi. How are you, Facebook? YouTube. Sorry. I'm thinking about Facebook. That's Shelly
And
shouting.
that's Shelly shouting.
You got a text on me? The Bible says, blessed are for that all times.
All right, bye.